Join me for a cup, won't you? I am super excited about today. Can you guess why? Yes, you're right. It's my birthday. Today I'm going to share with you what I got for my birthday. I celebrated my birthday last week right before Thanksgiving with my friends, my family. Those that were near and far sent me birthday wishes and I was super excited and I want to share that with you today. Hey there, hi there, hello there everyone. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you've visited before, it's good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls. Today, my birthday haul, budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of the fun. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but for me, it's a big deal. It will also help YouTube to see my channel and recognize me more and spread me out there to more people and more viewers. So let's get started. We're gonna get started with opening my presents. Of course, I've already opened them, but I want to share that experience with you. So first of all, if you've noticed, I have this Have the Best Birthday Ever coffee cup that I got, and it came along with one of these bags, and I'm going to share with you the friend that bought me this. So this is of course one of the gifts. I also got, I'm just going to kind of get them here the way they are, and of course I am thankful to my family and friends for sharing these with me today, and thankful to all of you subscribers, new subscribers and viewers for keeping tabs on my channel. Thank you very much. So I'm going to start with this one. This was from my niece. My niece lives in Philadelphia, PA, and she sent me a homemade card. It says, "Happy birthday, $100 gift certificate to buy 100 things at the Dollar Tree." So that means I've got to use this before it goes up to $1.25 in January, but you know what? That's not hard to do. So that is gift number one. Then I also got this beautiful card. It says "Happy Birthday" on the envelope. This one is from a very dear friend of mine who has been my friend since we were 12 years old. So it's been a long time. So this beautiful card, along with a Hobby Lobby gift certificate, or gift card, I guess. You could tell how old I am calling it a gift certificate. But anyway, we know it's a gift card. So I really appreciate that. Can't wait to hit those stores. And then kind of a funny gift, my daughter's boyfriend, Wizard of Oz is my favorite movie, so he found Saint Dorothy somewhere for me. I don't know if you can see her. It is just, you know, a fun gift and not meant in any way to dishonor or disrespect anybody or anything. But I just thought it was really cute. And of course, Wizard of Oz, Dorothy, one of my favorites, or is my favorite movie. I also got this beautiful bag that a friend of mine made. She got the paper bag and then put this beautiful Virgin on the front with the angels around it, and I just love that. I think it's so pretty. One of my favorite pastimes is playing bingo, so she got me 2 of my favorite color bingo daubers. So if you like bingo, join me, won't you? I'm sure we will have lots of fun there. Then we got this bag here. This was from another very dear friend of mine who I've known probably for at least 20, maybe 25 years. And a beautiful card. Well, actually a funny card, but you know, funny cards are fun also. So there's that card. And again, with the Wizard of Oz theme, got this beautiful apron. If you can see that, it's the Wizard of Oz apron with Dorothy and all her friends from the Land of Oz. So I got that. Excited. The funny thing is I don't cook. I don't spend much time in the kitchen except at my coffee bar. But that is going to look really pretty hanging in my kitchen. Then I got this bag here. These bags are really pretty. Here, let me move this out of the way. And then this bag has another beautiful card from this friend of mine. Now, this friend of mine I've known since kindergarten. And the beautiful card there. So we can see that. And I have this cup, again going with the Wizard of Oz theme. I don't know if you can see that, but it says, are you a good witch or a bad witch? And the cup is black. And on one of my videos, I'll use it when it's nice and hot, and then it will reveal, are you a good witch or a bad witch? And it has Glinda on it, and it has the Wizard of Oz logo on it, and then it also has the bad witch on there, the Wicked Witch. So that is a lot of fun. I had so much fun opening these gifts and so much fun receiving them. I received them all at different times. On my birthday, I received some. The day after Thanksgiving. So I throughout the day on my birthday, and then on the day after Thanksgiving. So it was kind of fun opening them all at different times. And it's fun again opening them. And then this one is from a dear friend of mine that I met at bingo, and we became really good friends because we both share the love for the same football team. So this one had a bunch of chocolates. I already ate them because it was like last week, but I still have some of these truffles. There was some Ferrero Rocher, there was just some scattered Reese's and just Mentos and all kinds of different candies. So that was a lot of fun. Then I got this beautiful blouse. See, it's pretty, huh? I don't know if you can see it. It's light blue, and it's just like a little shirt blouse, but it is very lightweight, very pretty, and I'm excited to wear that. And in this, she also had these beautiful kitchen towels. And these kitchen towels, of course, are holiday towels, but this basket is a bread basket, and it's also wrapped up in a towel. How cute is that? Again, it'll go in my coffee bar because I don't spend much time in my kitchen. So, but they are beautiful. Oh yeah, here's some of the candy. There's these ring pops and Mentos. So there was all kinds of candy in there, but I ate most of it. I shared some, but I ate most of it. And in there was this beautiful card for my dear friend. Isn't that pretty? So cards are very special. When you take the time to look for a card for your friends and loved ones, they are very special. At least I think so. So there's that one. Then I still have more. I had a breakfast at my daughter's house on my birthday morning, and she made my very favorite breakfast. It was French toast, bacon, and hash browns, along with some coffee, of course. But we also had mimosas, and those were delicious. Then it was time to open the gifts, and so I'm super excited about this because I didn't know that I wanted one of these until I got one of these. But let's start with how I opened these gifts. These are from my daughters and from my grandchildren, from my daughter's families, and from my grand dog Ollie. So first I opened this, was the first thing, and this is from Ollie the dog, and it says Cricket Joy stylus pen. And I kind of looked at it because I thought they were ballpoint pens, and then I realized that it said Cricket Joy. But it was the first one I opened, so I kind of ruined, or Ollie kind of ruined the surprise, but I was still nonetheless ever so happy to receive this from my beautiful children. So I got some vinyl, some transfer tape. I got black, silver, gold, pink, red, white, and iridescent. So I'm sure you guys have seen all these colors, but just wanted to show them to you. I also got this set of tools for the Cricut Joy, and I guess any Cricut. So I don't know how to use any of this thing. It's going to be a learning experience, but like I said, I did not know I wanted one until I got one. So here I am, so excited to start using it. And then I got this bag, right, a little tote to carry my Cricut Joy in, and I thought, oh my gosh, this thing must be tiny because I've never seen the Cricut Joy. So I got this carrying bag, and then of course here it is in this beautiful bag. Ta-da! Everybody, I got a Cricut Joy. Isn't that exciting? I'm so excited. I want to do an unboxing for it, but I don't know. I want to get to using it right away. But anyway, here it is. I hope you enjoyed watching me open my gifts. I certainly enjoyed opening them. This cup came with the gift, with the blouse and the kitchen towels along with all the candy. It was full of candy plus candy sprinkled all around, and I really enjoyed my birthday. I also had a very special friend make some cake pops, and those cake pops were of course the Wizard of Oz, and they were adorable. I will try to put a picture in the video. I don't know if I can do it, but I'll try. But they were adorable. She is at Sprinkle Pops on Instagram, so I will link her Instagram in the description below. If you're interested, go on her page and you might see my Wizard of Oz cake pops. So everybody, I hope that you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Let's get ready for the Christmas holidays. Happy New Year and everything else that's coming right after that, because this year is going like this, so quick. Cheers, everybody. Vámonos, on to the next. And whoops, I forgot one more. This one is from my boss. It's a beautiful tumbler in my favorite football team colors. Can you guess what team that is? I didn't forget that I had this. I was in my kitchen, and well, we know I don't go in there that much. But thank you very much. I love it. Thanks. And here are the beautiful cake pops from at Sprinkle Pops on Instagram. Not only are they beautiful, but they were delicious. These are all white cake, and every character in the Wizard of Oz is represented, including the Yellow Brick Road, Emerald City, and Dorothy's Ruby Red Slippers. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!